Your merciful love is eternal. Discard not the work of your hands.
O Lord, your merciful love is eternal. Discard not the work of your hands.
I thank you, Lord, with all my heart. You have heard the words of my mouth. In the presence of the angels, I praise you. I bow down toward your holy temple.
O Lord, your merciful love is eternal. Discard not the work of your hands.
I give thanks to your name for your merciful love and your faithfulness. You have exalted your name over all. On the day I called, you answered me. You increased the strength of my soul.
O Lord, your merciful love is eternal. Discard not the work of your hands.
The Lord is high, yet he looks on the lowly, and the haughty he knows from afar. O Lord, your merciful love is eternal. Discard not the work of your hands.